Why am I messing around with my screen? Why am I messing with the screen? Yes, you know what time it is, y'all. It is the lightning round, and I am your host, Charles Becco. I want to thank everybody for joining us today. Gonna be here for a good time, but not a long time, as they say. I want to welcome everybody to the stage. Big shouts out to Sabrina. Welcome, Sabrina, to the stage. Again, want to thank everybody for being here today. All right, music off. All right, Sabrina, introduce yourself to the crowd.
Good evening, Charles. Good evening, Megan. Hello, everyone. Happy Friday. It is my favorite day of the week. Welcome to Lightning Round, where we break down your tickers live on YouTube and talk about some fundamentals sometimes. A little bit about me. I work for Merrill Lynch. I've been supporting a trading desk for the past 10, 15 years. I've been in the business for quite some time now. I've been trading stocks, crypto, and I buy and sell real estate for the past 10 years. Anything that is expressed on this platform is not financial advice. It's just merely my opinion on a given ticker, and I have a lot of them. So here we are tonight. Back to you, or over to you, Megan.
Happy Friday, everybody. I am Megan. Currently, I'm a financial planner and a tax strategist, a certified financial planner and enrolled agent status with the IRS. I've been doing this now for probably 15 years. I also have experience in other businesses. I've owned a retail CBD store. I had a hemp farm on my property, and I'm a Brooklyn Trader member, and anything else you can name, I've probably done it. So I'm excited to be here with y'all on Friday night. Back to you, Charles.
All right, great. And Megan, you have an event going on this weekend. You want to share that with the crowd?
Sure. So I'm actually working on the PowerPoint right now. A couple of the Brooklyn Traders members had some questions about taxes in regarding their investment vehicle choice, IRA versus Roth versus an investment. And as a tax specialist and enrolled agent with the IRS, having prepared over 5,000 to 10,000 different tax returns, I thought, you know what, instead of looking on the internet and trying to figure it out yourself, let me just do a Zoom tomorrow, which is 9:30 Central, 10:30 Eastern time, and have it where you can ask me any questions. So I'll run through the PowerPoint. I'll give you the basics on the different types of accounts and how all the pros and cons work, and then if people have questions, they can just directly ask me. So it's a free event to just try to help out the Brooklyn Traders members. And Charles has that link. Otherwise, you can hit me up on the back end as well. So that'll be 10:30 Eastern time tomorrow morning.
All right, so you know what we'll do? We'll share the link. We'll share the link in the room towards the end. Let me just kind of pin the link for the YouTube so folks can get up on there. All right, there it is. Boom. All right, so again, lightning round. Make Stonks great again. Right. So here we are. All right. So everybody join in on that live stream there. I
gotta do a shout out, Charles.
Go ahead.
My family member Bruce Dinger just joined the room. Bruce is a hedge fund manager and one of my very, very, very good friends. So I see him down in the audience. I haven't seen him on Clubhouse in a long time. Bruce, I love you.
Hey, yeah, we're familiar with Bruce.
Bruce out also.
Yeah, we're familiar with Bruce. Bruce, what's up, man? Don't know if you want to come up here to the stage, but you're always more than welcome, Bruce.
I just invited him to speak.
Okay.
Bruce.
What's going on, Charles, Megan, Sabrina? How you folks doing?
It's going good. I wish we had more time today to shoot the breeze here, but it's going to be a quick one. But Bruce, introduce yourself to the crowd.
Hey guys, so my name is Bruce Dinger. Been in the markets for a good number of years. Started off as a futures trader and trade stocks and options, and love it. I think it's, in my opinion, the greatest way to make a living.
Wonderful, wonderful. All right, so
guys, one thing. I'm sorry,
go ahead.
Charles. One thing I forgot to mention. For your tickers, if you have tickers that you would like us to look at, which I'm sure
we're only
do,
taking 5 or 10. We're not doing a bunch.
That's fine.
Yep.
The first 5 or 10, please hit us up on the paper plane. Send us your tickers. We'll get them into the YouTube video. We'll get them to Charles. Those of you who are not on the YouTube yet, please join us on the YouTube. You'll be able to see the charts with all the technicals that we're breaking down. And one last shout out I want to just give real quick. Shout out to Sarah for Sarilla Tea. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed it. It's getting a little cooler here in Florida, so I'm definitely drinking those hot teas. I love them.
Absolutely. Drink Sarilla, everybody. We do have a link in the YouTube videos as well. I believe there's an Amazon link in every video. If not, and we'll put it there. All right. So, what's going on with the market, right? Start out with SPY. Right now, on the weekly time frame is where all the action is. You see fresh MACD cross with a squeeze fired long, and so we got a very conservative price target on the SPY to 480 all-time highs, right? It looks like we came up a few weeks back in August. We dipped. We caught a nice little dip that lasted pretty much all of September, right? We came up here towards the tail end of October. We did a little mild dip again. I want to say that we didn't quite get there, right? I really wanted to retest the breakout level. Didn't happen. The market just wants to go higher, so don't fight it, right? And so, SPY is going. For the first time in a long time, I'm seeing Amazon with some potential bullish strength here as well. Okay, it really has fixed itself on the daily time frame. When you look on the weekly time frame, you could almost see a fresh MACD cross right there on the weekly time frame. Again, it doesn't have to stay that way, right? Because the monthly time frame was where all of the trouble was on Amazon. But hey, if Amazon wants to fix itself, go ahead. Again, on the monthly time frame, it does look like the bears are kind of letting off some of the gas here, and so again, things can't be like a short for very long, right? And so there you go. Amazon looks good here as well. We want to kind of get on to some of the tickers here. I know that we got a couple requests, so we got QuantumScape. We covered that a few days ago. QuantumScape, actually, we covered it Wednesday, and we made note that QuantumScape looked good, and since then, QuantumScape, I think, went like up 12% the next day. Hello to you too, Anderson. So we got QuantumScape, Shop, Snap, BLNK, PLTR. Y'all ain't playing. And Sabrina, you had one, right? FRSX, I think.
Yes, sir.
FRSX. Let's look at that one first. So Foresight Autonomous Holdings. So right now, again, just like Lucid, right, Sabrina? This looks like an accumulation phase to me. More of a downwards channel than I'd like to see, but it doesn't matter. Like, when something is going sideways, whether it's up, down, whether it's a downwards channel or just a sideways channel, right? It's still a channel, right? So the shape of it really doesn't matter, pretty much. Okay, the supply zone is somewhere down here. The bulls come in, they buy the dip around there, and yada yada yada. Pretty much. All right. So I do know, again, this is a phase one market phase, right? And so what was also on a phase one market phase for a while, right? Let's look. Lucid, right?
Lucid, my baby.
There it is, right? Again, team, we drew these levels live, right here on the lightning round, right? Going sideways, test, nope, test, breakout, boom, with volume. We couldn't even come down and retest the breakout level, dagnabbit. I was waiting to back the truck up on that, but we did a full touch of the 8 simple, and then that's it. We're gone. So yeah. So in terms of Foresight, again, just another accumulation phase. I believe this is an AI play. We don't have time to get into sorry, we don't have time to get into all of the due diligence today. Don't have time to get into all the due diligence today. We could maybe cover it on Monday. But yeah, I would just be, well, you can't really be careful, right? If it dips down, this is the demand zone right here. We have a MACD cross to the downside, but we've seen MACD crosses before, and it just kind of comes down, tests under 270. I would expect that to hold there on Foresight. Okay. Next up on this list, let's go to Kimberly Miranda with Palantir, right? What's going on with Palantir? Somebody was talking about it. Again, another phase one market phase. Nothing going on, right? So basically, right? And actually, I'm actually happy that this is here. So for me, right, we are long-term bullish in the Brooklyn Traders Palantir, right? So this is the supply zone, right? Sorry, this is the demand zone. Sorry, this is the demand zone, right? This is where the bulls typically come in to buy. This is what I recommend you coming to buy, right? Because one day, right, this accumulation phase is going to break out. One day, this chart is going to look just like Lucid, right? Hopefully, it'll be for great reasons. I like the leadership here in Palantir. I believe in the company long term. So right now, this is the buy zone. This is where you want to be, right at the bottom of the channel. Go ahead,
just real quick on Palantir. The reason why the stock dropped this week was because they had the earnings report, and it wasn't what the numbers were not what was expected. I mean, they did lose a government contract, but Palantir is a great long-term company, in my opinion.
Yep, Yep, I love Palantir. Again, the Brooklyn Traders, you were there live when I bought pretty much damn near IPO. But I couldn't believe the shares were $10. I was like, okay, you want to give me these shares for $10? Go ahead, I'll take them. So that's Palantir right there. Next up is BLNK for Coey. We do like BLNK again. Profit target on BLNK here. Again, is $60, right? I wouldn't quite say, well, I guess you could kind of make this out into a phase one market phase as well, right? Like a lot of these guys, they look, the charts are looking the same, right? The big guys are loading up the shares, and us little guys have to follow and see what is it that they're up to, right? So again, another downwards channel that I believe we started to break out of. Okay. So we definitely played some BLNK this week. Okay, I did like the price action. We are very bullish EV long term. I do like BLNK. I do like the movement here, and it looks good. Looks more like a hold to me. I really want to see how it behaves around this level, and hopefully it can hold up here. Okay, that's pretty much it. Team, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube. We're here. Click that little bell icon and everything like that. So that's pretty much it. That is BLNK. Next up on this list is. Give me 1 second. Got Shop. Okay. And Bruce, feel free to just chime in at any point in time. And Bruce, yeah, we are on the YouTube there as well. You click the link and check us out. Man, Shop looks good here. Shop looks really good. Nice volume here. Not too sure what the news is. Volume up 300% today. Just big, gigantic move on Shop. Very sad that we were not in this, but
Speak for yourself.
Oh well, hey, I wasn't in it. Okay.
I got it at like 8:30 this morning, right when my time, 8:30, which is like right at market open, 9:30 your time, and put a price target on 1650, and it met that and exceeded right before market close on some options plays. So I did really well, and it's got that MACD cross up. We're starting to squeeze on the weekly, and that 8 is about to cross the 21 if it hasn't already on the weekly.
Wow, yeah. What's crazy about this chart is that the weekly looks even crazier on Shop here. Basically on Shop, I could say on Shopify, I would say I would say, shoot, this thing looks like it wants to go up another $1,200. So potentially about $3,000 on Shopify. That looks crazy. What? Yeah, this looks like another $1,200 on Shopify here. So I would say $2,800 to $3,000 price target. I mean, this is very bullish. This is super bullish on the weekly time frame. Nice pick here, Megan. Just Shopify on a crazy, insane run. When you look at this 3-year chart, could you imagine this thing was at $117? What'll really make Shopify go ham if they really wanted to go crazy is if they did some kind of like split, right? Oh man, wow. They probably should do a split at this point.
Welcome, Charlene, to the room.
Oh, Charlene's here.
Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening, depending on where you are. I am Charlene, wife, mother, true believer, and newbie trader because I'm always learning something new. I hope you guys are enjoying the room today. Welcome. This is the Day Trading Degens Club. If you haven't already, go ahead and click on the green house and become a member. Don't forget to click on the bell to be aware whenever we open the room. This is the lightning round where you tell us your tickers. We pull up the charts live on YouTube, and you decide whether you want to buy, sell, or hold. The link is right above our head. It is pinned to the room. Go ahead and join. You can send us your tickers on the back end. Again, thank you for joining. We're here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for you. I do want to say that nothing said on this platform is to be considered financial advice. So please do your own due diligence. Thank you for joining. Hi, Bruce. Over to you, Charles.
Yeah, my goodness. I think Shopify is definitely going to be the chart of the month. Wow. Yeah, it's crazy to say that. Whew. But definitely see well over $1,000 here. I'd say $2,800 price target on Shopify. Dang, I thought we were going to talk about SPY, but Shopify looks mod here. That's insane. Whew. Shopify. All right, nice play. And that's it, team. No more tickers. I wonder if that's an actual
Can
ticker.
you do one more? Can you just do Snap? That's the last one we got for today.
Yeah, the Snap was included on the list already. No more new tickers. I see we had Snap on the list. This one, let me get to SFT. Shift Technologies. Just made a new low here. Nothing here. I mean, you made a new low on volume, so I wouldn't be touching this thing with a long stick. Big volume to the downside. Okay. Yeah, breaking the new lows. Unless you want to short the pops, I would not touch this thing with a stick. I have no idea what Shift Technologies does. I would say stay away for now. Okay. I want to talk about Facebook. Took a position today. The weekly looks like it's turning itself around. The daily already was fixing itself. I believe these meta plays, right? And Facebook is meta, right? So we can't call it Facebook anymore. It's meta, right? They're probably going to change their stock symbol to meta or something like that. Yeah, just a nice little move here. Yeah, I expect Facebook to kind of break out of this pattern here. Okay, next week. Okay, so Shopify, Facebook, Amazon as well are three names going to be looking to look bullish. Also Netflix as well. Okay, some pretty big, cute constituents here that look like they want to do something. Again, we still have a price target of 700 on the Qs, right? And so let's see if it can actually get there, right? 4-hour time frame squeezing here. Just, let's see if we can get there finally. 700 on Netflix. And last but not least, we have Snapchat, right? Make sure not missing anybody. Oh, we had QuantumScape. Okay, so let me do QuantumScape first, and then we'll save Snapchat for last. Oh shoot, QuantumScape got a squeeze today. Oh shoot, nice good charts here. Price target on QuantumScape $53. Okay, $53 on QuantumScape. Nice little pattern here. I expect QuantumScape to continue to be bullish. I don't have any reason to think that it'll do anything other than that. Price target on QuantumScape, $50. Again, team, I told y'all, SPY looked like it was gunning for all-time highs, and you're looking at all these names. All these names are bullish. Snap, MACD cross here. It looks like the bears are letting up here, but let's see them kind of break out of this range. I want to see a break above 55.75 on Snapchat. Okay. If Snapchat gets some meta news, or if the social media giants start like biting on that whole meta play, or they find some way to work that into whatever it is that they're doing, and I think that could be very, very bullish. So team, looks very bullish here, right? Basically, we were in a short setup coming into this week, and we were short, profited short, markets turn around, and we're turning around right with them. That's pretty much it. Nothing more to report. So again, Shopify looks great. QuantumScape looks great. Shopify, QuantumScape. What else did I say? Let me see what else. So what else is on this list? Yes, QuantumScape, Shopify. Snap is okay, but I would say QuantumScape and Shopify. Shopify definitely is one of the best tickers I've seen, with a nice little price pattern. So team, that's it. Sabrina, Bruce, Charlene, Megan, anything left to say before we tap up out of here?
I would just like to say, my usual. It's the weekend, guys. Take some time out for yourself, for your mental health. Hug your kids, kiss your wife, your husband, your pets. Hug everybody. It's important to keep a balance between, these crazy market stuff that we do called trading and your home life and your mental health. Also take some time out to do maybe walk around the block, do something physical. Health as well. On Sunday, set aside some time to get ready for the trading week and figure out what your strategy is for the week. Also know that you do not have to trade actively every day. Trading is more than just buying and selling, right? Just sitting there and waiting for your positions to take off, which, hopefully they will if you've invested in the right companies. That's also a strategy. So don't think that you have to buy and sell every day. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Over to you, Megan, Bruce, Charlene.
Hey, everybody. I just wanted to remind you that some of the Brooklyn Traders members wanted that tax breakdown as it relates to different account registrations, such as IRA, Roth, and investment accounts. So tomorrow at 10:30 Eastern Time, 9:30 Central Time, I'm going to have a Zoom meeting to break that down and let you ask any questions that you have regarding tax law. So the link is pinned to the top now if you want to save that for tomorrow morning. It is just a free Ask Megan any tax law kind of question that you have regarding investments. Otherwise, have a great weekend, everybody, and I look forward to next week's trade. Bruce, you want to say any goodbyes to us?
Yeah, I'll just say, for people out there that are just getting started in this business or have been in the business for some time and maybe struggling, I don't think you're alone. I mean, we've all gone through that. The more you spend time in front of the charts, the more you spend time really understanding what makes a particular stock move, the better you're going to get. So just stay with it. Put the time in that's necessary, because as I said in the beginning of the call, this is in my opinion, one of the most rewarding businesses that you could ever embark on. Have a great weekend, guys.
I think Charlene's driving on the back end there.
Yep, she's driving, but she sends her love to everybody.
Yep. All right, team. Thanks, and God bless. Have a good weekend, everybody. Take care of yourselves. Take care of yourselves, everybody. Take care.